Welcome back to our mutual fund series. Today, let us explore a fund that offers a blend of potential growth and strategy, the Balanced Advantage Fund. Think of this fund like making a perfect smoothie, just like the right mix of ingredients. Too much of one can spoil the taste. Similarly, the Balanced Advantage Fund combines equity and debt to offer potential growth while ensuring steadiness. The fund uses a dynamic asset allocation strategy. When the market is up, it increases the equity portion for potential growth. When the market conditions become uncertain, it shifts towards more debt for steadiness, just like adding a bit of creamy yogurt to your smoothie to keep it smooth and balanced. How does it work? Simple. The equity portion may help grow your potential wealth over time, while the debt portion provides steadiness. This gives you the best of both the worlds, potential for returns and cushion for protection. If you're aiming for sustainable growth while managing risk, this fund may be a great choice. It is ideal for investors with a moderate risk appetite who want both potential growth and steadiness. So, with Balanced Advantage Fund, you get a balanced approach to investing that adapts to market conditions. That's all for now. Until next time, stay healthy, stay invested.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.